This is another demonstration of Donna Eden's energy work. And this is about crossing the body energy fields. So when you cross your hand over to one side and the other, you're actually help create a sense of flow of energy in your body. And a lot of times the little pains and aches that we have, it's stagnation of energy. And sometimes our energy gets confused. Instead of supposedly going up, it goes down. Instead of going right, it goes left. So just simply taking your hand across the shoulder and bringing it down to your hip and doing this a couple of times and breathing will help correct any energy stagnations that you have, or if your energy is confused going up instead of going down. This is really good to do every hour or at least once a day, just to have movement in your body. If you can't stand up and do this, then I would take your foot, your hand, and just flip-flop your hand like this. Doing this, having right to go left, left to go right, that's how you can correct your energy. And you might feel a sense of change when you do this. Simply by going outside and grounding yourself would be another way to kind of correct your energy as far as how it needs to move properly. Because your body already knows what to do. It's our mind that gets in the way a lot of the times, or our thoughts or our beliefs that kind of change things in our body. So just know that you don't really have to do anything except for remember to do your self-care, to make the intention, set the intention, what you plan to do. For example, I plan to clear my energy fields easy and effortlessly, and just have a mantra that you say and do, and just make it your own practice. Be your own artist to do however feels right for you. But I'm giving you many different selections to choose from, so that way you find your favorite. So have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.